once again. Get up close and personal with these little ladies. Cookie Crumble. I don't know what her name is yet. You need to help me think of names for these guys. Or should I say, these ladies. Hey. You want to be on camera? Black ones are a little bit shy today, I guess. Running through the jungle over here. Hi. I hear another creature in the dark woods. Hey, creature. Yeah, I love you too. This is so entertaining, right? She almost disappears. Alright, you want to tell them bye? Can you wave? Can you wave? No, you're not going to? Okay. Bye-bye.